If you want to start using QuickBooks, you should click on the link in the description to get the best discount. To record PayPal refund in QuickBooks, just click the plus new button and then click the refund receipt. Enter your customer details. You want to refund the payment. But usually guys, when you click the customer name, it will automatically fill up the form. Now click the refund from and choose the PayPal bank to record it as from PayPal. Once you're done, click the save button and you've successfully issued a refund. Now to check if it's recorded, exit the refund receipt. Just click the X button. On your dashboards, you can see the bank account. Click the Go to Registers. And choose which record is you want to check. But for now, I pick PayPal. In here, you can see the records of your refund. And that's it. That's how you record PayPal refund in QuickBooks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.